Hello, now I will show you how to fix the Google Chrome problem when you start with Linux. You must type the Keyrings every time you run the Google Chrome, like this. So how to fix it? Let's go. So you can right click on the Google Chrome icon and you can click properties, and then on the command form you can add the command like // password /store is basic, and then you can get close. So you can run the Google Chrome without input the keyrings again, like this. It's just simple like this. Okay, see you next video. Bye bye.